Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your language on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, click settings, now click personal information, and here you'll find language, click on it, and here you can just select any language here, or you can also add language from here. And that's it. That's how to change your language on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.